I'd like to demonstrate how to use a highlighting pen on your finished wax seal. We made a seal with our Waterstons Sealing Wax. It's a wick style. Fun wax to use, bright and shiny, takes wonderful impressions. This is a Sharpie gold metallic marker. There's others on the market, all different kinds of colors. This one's gold, and all I want to do is highlight the raised areas of my impression, so it makes it a little easier to see. And I'm just going to color maybe in one direction on there. You can do what you like, but it really is just this easy. I find that this brand marker will hold to the wax very easily. It doesn't pool up or bead like a just regular marker would. Well, there you go. Really nice highlight. You can see your impression better, especially on the dark waxes, and it just makes it look unique in your style.